Explore how to build a thriving spiritual business empire with digital marketing content. Hi, I'm Binahtiyah from Aware Multimedia. I create digital marketing content for spiritual entrepreneurs. If that's you, then download the ebook in the description box below to make sure you're not making the 5 mistakes spiritual businesses make online. So how do you build a thriving spiritual business empire? Before you start on your spiritual entrepreneurial journey, clarify your purpose and your mission. I know you've heard this before. Take a moment to reflect on why you're drawn to this path and the impact you wish to make in people's lives. Identifying your spiritual niche is a vital step in understanding how best to serve your audience. When I started my own spiritual business, I felt overwhelmed by the amount of products and services I could offer. However, after meditating and connecting with my inner self, I realized that my calling was to provide digital marketing content for spiritual entrepreneurs who are seeking to maintain a consistency with their business as well as their online presence. In a sea of spiritual businesses, standing out is essential. Your unique value proposition is the magic ingredient that will make you distinctive. Focus on what sets you apart, whether it's a rare skill you possess, or a specific teaching method, or a novel approach to spiritual growth. In today's digital age, a strong online presence is the key to reaching and connecting with your audience. Start by building a user-friendly website that reflects the essence of your spiritual business. Embrace social media platforms to engage with your followers, share valuable insights, and foster a community of like-minded individuals. Practice what you preach and let your genuine passion for spiritual growth shine through every aspect of your venture. Respond to customer feedback with genuine humility and gratitude. Fosters trust, which is invaluable in this realm. As your spiritual business gains traction, consider expanding your offers to cater to a broader audience. Diversifying your products or services allows you to meet the varying needs of your clients while maintaining the essence of your spiritual journey. Building a business empire doesn't mean you have to go it alone. Seek out spiritual entrepreneurs whose values align with your own and explore opportunities for collaboration. Joint ventures and cross-promotions can significantly expand your reach and enrich your offering. I once collaborated with a spiritual entrepreneur to do a presentation at a workshop, combining our expertise in Reiki healing and essential oils. The event's success strengthened and solidified both our businesses. While providing personalized services is fulfilling, creating digital product can be a game changer to scaling your business. Online courses, ebooks, or meditation guides allow you to reach a global audience and generate passive income. Your spiritual business empire thrives when it has a supportive community at its core. Engage with your audience regularly through social media, email newsletters, or even in-person events. A loyal following will not only sustain your business, but also become ambassadors who spread the word about your offerings. Your brand is an extension of your spiritual journey. Craft a compelling brand story that communicates your mission and the values that drive your business. Choose a brand name, logo, tagline that resonates with your target audience and represents your spiritual essence. Authenticity is at the heart of every spiritual business. Stay true to your values and remain transparent in your communications with your audience. Sharing the behind the scenes of your business journey allows customers to connect with you on a deeper level. As a spiritual entrepreneur, you are a vessel of knowledge and wisdom. Position yourself as an authority in your niche by sharing valuable content that reflects your expertise. This can be in the form of blog posts, videos, or live sessions. When I began creating digital marketing content for spiritual entrepreneurs, I had doubts about my ability to convey my knowledge effectively. However, with practice and dedication, I improved my skills and gained confidence in showcasing my expertise. If you're wondering about the types of businesses you can venture into, here are some exciting ideas to consider. Meditation and mindful coaching, yoga retreats and workshops, crystal and energy healing products, spiritual life coaching and counseling, astrology and tarot readings, holistic wellness products and services, just to name a few. So now you've taken the first steps towards building a thriving spiritual business empire. Remember that your journey is unique to you and that there will be challenges along the way. Embrace the power of authenticity, connect with your purpose, and and cultivate a sense of community. With dedication and passion, your spiritual empire will flourish, touching the lives of many and bringing light into the world. Wishing you success and fulfillment on this extraordinary adventure. Download your ebook in the description box below to make sure you're not making the 5 mistakes spiritual businesses make online. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, comment, and consider subscribing to this channel. Remember to hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. Want to read the full blog article? Click on the link in the description box below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.